welcome back to the channel, and this is another prepping life video, which is a series I'm doing over here on Mississippi Girl Life. Okay. So I already have showed y'all this months and months and months ago, but again, it is new people, and I don't think I did a specific video for this. I kind of like added it into a video or something that I was doing, so I wanted to do a specific video for this. Now I got this from Ollie's. Okay, I got this from Ollie's, but I'm pretty sure you can find it maybe on Amazon or a different one, something that's similar or whatnot. You'll probably be able to find it in different places, but I paid $3.99 at Ollie's for this, and this is something I feel like we all should have. Okay, a copy of some sort, what if it's not the same, but some kind. It teaches a lot. So this is the Outdoor Life, the Emergency Survival Manual, 300 plus life-saving tips and skills, disaster preparedness for everyone, emergency first aid and medical care. Keep your home and family safe. Okay, so this is what the book looked like. All right, that's what the book looked like. And I'm just gonna go over a couple things. When you open it up, it's a emergency survival manual. Okay, and I'm just gonna tell you a couple things that's like in here. Let's go to the table of contents, because that'll probably be easier. And oh boy, it's a lot. All right, so let's see what they got that I can tell you, because a lot of this stuff is written like a sermon. Like it say, get your right mindset, practice your awareness, color your perception, sharpen your senses, shake your tail. All these are different topics that they got on here, but it teaches different things. No injury types, fill up your first aid kit, splint a limb, stabilize a fracture, sling an injured arm, help them calm down, address an anxiety attack, super glue it, breathe for them, control bleeding, put on the pressure, help a choking victim, administrator CPR, let's see, not the administer CPR. I was like, wait, what did I just say? It's late, y'all. It's late that I'm filming this, so I'm tired. I did a lot today. But that's all right though. Let's see. Grab your go bag, ride it out at home, be ready for travel troubles. So many different things. So many things. I mean, I am on, let's see, it's got 301, and I'm on the table of contents, and it's got 301. Plan to be prepared, back up your plan. It's just so much. Whatever the situation is, it is in this book. Okay, I plan on, excuse me, I'm burping and stuff. I plan on getting another one so I can have it in more than one bug out bag, because definitely this will help. Even somebody in labor, how to deal with labor, how to deliver a baby. I just opened the book and that's what it was on. You never know what you may come against in an emergency situation. They got everything divided up, like this is for family, telling you how to help your family and stuff, and everything is just like, it's color coded. So family is all the blues, the orange is all the information about community. Let's see, the red is skills. It's all color coded with tabs. Okay, and yeah, it's just a awesome book to have, something to have at home, have in your, or copy in your car, have copies in your bug out bags. because you may have more than one. Like me, I will have a bug out bag, Oronde will have one, and all the kids will have one. But God forbid, say you get separated some type of way, and you may be having a situation that's in this book. They may be having a situation in this book. So eventually, if I can find some more for $3.99, I'm gonna get them just to have copies in different bug out bags, have copies in a copy in the car, and all that good stuff, and it will, I think, work out. I'm pretty sure it's different versions of this book written by different people. So whatever you come across that you think is helpful for you, because everybody's situation is different, I definitely would say get it. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I want to share with y'all in this little video of prepping life. I hope it was informational. I hope it gave you some ideas and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, so I'm about to get off of here. Thank you for coming in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Love y'all. Bye.